DJI Osmo Nano Combo, wearable gem or GoPro's worst nightmare. Ever felt like your action cam is a bulky brick, weighing down your hikes or vlogs with awkward mounts and endless file swaps? Frustration mounts as shaky clips mock your efforts. Too true. Toss your clumsiest gear gripe in the comments. Let's vent. If portability pains or storage snarls snag you, the DJI Osmo Nano's magnetic 52 grams wonder might just unclip your creativity. Snap to sunset shoots. Deadlines dash by as your rig overheats mid-trek, stress simmering to burnout while footage flickers unstably. One dropped frame and the magic's lost. But conjure command with 4K at 60 frames per second smoothness and 200-minute dock endurance. No tangle. The DJI Osmo Nano teases tiny triumphs for vlog voyages. If motion blur or battery blues bite, this could steady your stride. Comment, clip, for the clip. Behold the DJI Osmo Nano Standard Combo, 128 gigabytes, a 52 grams modular marvel that's unshackling vloggers with its 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor slurping light for vivid 4K at 60 frame per second bursts, 143 degrees ultra-wide field of view swallowing scenes like a voracious vista. RockSteady 3.0 gimbal banishes jitters, 10-bit D-log M blooms cinematic hues, while magnetic mounts, hat clip to lanyard, snap seamless POVs. The Vision dock juices 200-minute runs, swift transfers zipping 600 megabytes per second to your phone. Picture Kai, the trail vlogger dodging dusk downpours, his old cam fogged and faltered, clips choppy as regrets. Latch on the Osmo Nano, and voila! Immersive pet POVs and helmet hauls flow flawless, that faint magnetic click evoking effortless alliance. Lightly bold. Why lug GoPro bricks when this DJI Dynamo dives 10 meters waterproof SNS case? Sensory swirl? Sense the cool alloy kiss against your collar. Wide lens drinking dawn's golden haze. Here's one way the DJI Osmo Nano saved the day for a busy professional. During a rainy rally, its splash-proof dock kept feeds flowing. No blur in the blur. Linger for the bonus stabilization tweak at the end. It's the nuanced nod to hypnotic horizons. Delve into the DJI Osmo Nano's allure. Efficiency unfurls like a trail unspooling. Focus sharpening as 4K at 120 slow-mo, and horizon balancing craft buttery narratives from bumpy jaunts. Performance pulsing with 13.5 stop dynamic range that paints twilight treks in lifelike layers. Vloggers luxuriate in hands-free hat clips yielding immersive audio via dual mics, while 128 gigabytes onboard frees you from card chaos, transfers twinkling like fireflies to edits. Thousands trailblaze with this. Why the trek? A Tech Radar reviewer enthused. Superb value. Captures highly stabilized 4K video rivaling setups many times its size. Digital Camera World declared, a tiny camera with masses of possibilities, stunning value against all action cameras. Engadget noted, high-quality video, bright and sharp results in daylight, improved natural color. Users trail, a travel vlogger shared, battery lasts a full day, stabilization is magical on rough trails. An influencer added, revolutionized my workflow, from filming to posted in under 2 minutes. Wary of non-removable batteries? Its UVP essence, dock extends seamlessly, outlasting rivals in real romps. Doesn't that gimbal glide whisper a tingle of untamed trails? Field of view framing fates like forgotten postcards? Which perk, wide view, storage, or mounts, would map your muse? Comment below and chart the chat. See why adventurers can't detach from this DJI Osmo Nano's nimble narrative. Scramble, DJI Osmo Nano Standard Combo, 128 gigabytes. Stocks are vanishing as vloggers vault for this 4K at 60 frame per second pocket powerhouse. Join thousands who've clipped chaos, swapping shakes for stellar stories. One expert said, the ultimate entry point. Sharp, but also incredibly stable. If bulky cams or blur battles bog you, this may magnetize your magic. Grab it quick and unlock a secret D-Log MLUT for pro pops. Click to capture the calm. Comment, Yes, for the exclusive mount hack inside. Don't just watch. Strap in and store your spark today.